tragedy struck on Saturday morning as a devastating stampede occurred at the Holy Trinity Catholic Church in Maitama, Abuja, claimed the lives of 10 people, including 4 children, and left many others injured. It was gathered that the incident occurred during the distribution of palliatives by the church to vulnerable and elderly residents in the Federal Capital Territory, FCT. The FCT Police Command, in a statement issued by its spokesperson, SP Josephine Ade, confirmed the fatalities and revealed that 8 other individuals sustained injuries. Josephine noted that 4 of the injured victims have since been treated and discharged, while the remaining are receiving medical attention. It was learned that the stampede broke out as thousands of residents scrambled to access the food items, leading to chaos and the unfortunate loss of lives. However, the FCT expressed their condolences to the family of the deceased and wished the injured a speedy recovery. The statement read, "This tragic event, which happened at about 6:30 a.m., led to a stampede that claimed the lives of 10 individuals, including 4 children, and left 8 others with varying degrees of injuries. 4 of the injured have been treated and discharged, while the remaining victims are receiving medical care. To prevent such unfortunate incidents in the future, the command hereby directs that all organizations, religious bodies, groups, or individuals planning any public event, charitable activity, or large gathering in the FCT must notify the police command in advance. This will allow the deployment of adequate security measures to ensure public safety and prevent avoidable tragedies. Failure to comply with this directive will result in the organizers being held liable for any incident or loss of life resulting from their negligence," she added. Recall that earlier this week, NaijaNews reports the stampede which occurred in Ibadan as a result of overpopulation, while some claim hunger was the root cause of the stampede. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.